Welcome everyone to Coffee is Miss Sunshine. Thank you for stopping by and giving me some of your precious and valuable time. I appreciate it so much. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell up there so every time I make a video, you'll be notified immediately. And don't forget to what? Give me a thumbs up. Give me some of that love. I appreciate it so much. And today I am doing a mukbang. Okay, I see the people are doing that challenge with the jalapeno, stuffed jalapeno peppers, and then it's rolled up into a wonton. And I said, oh, that sounds delicious. I want to try it. I'm not doing the challenge because the challenge is 10 of them. I think it is like 10 minutes. It's really short, and jalapenos are spicy, so whatever. So let's get into this mukbang right now. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you so much for this food, be nourishing to my body and mind for Christ's sake. Lord, bless my viewers out there. Let them, you know, the heart desires what they stand in need of, their desires and wants granted. And keep us safe in your precious hands. Amen. Okay. And thank to all my new subscribers. Thank you guys so much that subscribed not too long ago. I appreciate you. And thank you so much. Coming in and being a sun rays. Okay, so this is the jalapeno with the cheese. I have the spicy jack, and I have ricotta, and the what else I got in here? Mozzarella. Then I fried it in peanut oil. It's spicy, but it's good. With the jalapeno in there, and then the spicy cheese. Whoa. And I have the nerve to put some yellow peppers on the side. Ooh. I take a small bite. And some sweet corn too. Food corn. Corn on the cob, stuffed jalapeno peppers with cheese, and dry cilantro on top, fresh cilantro, mozzarella on cheese and jack cheese, sliced lemons on the back, you can see them right there, and some yellow banana peppers on a bread of butter leaf lettuce. I got tomatillo salsa over here with fresh cilantro on top of there. Poppy seeds, black poppy seeds. I have some Victoria red taco sauce, mild. And I've seen some people eating their egg rolls with sweet chili. So, put a little sweet chili on that, and I love sweet chili. I don't know how those people are taking those challenges. And they're going to eat them in 10 minutes, 10 of them. They're spicy. Woo. And then I have some of the leftover taco meat I made. I don't know if you guys remember that video back there. I just kind of separated some of the meat from my spaghetti so I can make other dishes, and I took a spoonful, put some cheese and cilantro, and fried it in a wonton. Can't go wrong with taco meat with cheese and cilantro and that egg roll. Take a bite. Really tasty. Really good. And I have some hibiscus tea. Woo! That's spicy. Try some of that chili sauce. That is good with that. Try some of this creamy tortilla salsa. I took it to another level because we got jalapenos in that with cilantro, sour cream. Oh Lord, tasting this corn cool my mouth. I knew I could do that challenge. That's why I said, let me see how it, how the heat is going to be. But these are good though. Big Guy Bites, his mom made the recipe and started the challenge. I love it. You can stuff it with meat and cheese and fry it off some anywhere. Oh my God, it's dry. I got 18 minutes. Oh my God. Or it says 8 minutes. You guys try it out. Even if you don't do the challenge, try that combination out. It is really good. If you haven't already. You guys, it's good. It is filling. See, I'm glad I didn't take the challenge. I'm glad I tried it first. Woo, mercy. Woo. Okay, you guys, I can't even eat it. Well, it's really spicy. Then the spicy cheese, and then the salsa has the cilantro, the jalapeno peppers. My mouth was on fire, I can't even talk. So it's spicy too. Got a kicker. And then I took the cheese and I cut up the jalapeno peppers in it, and then took thin slices and stuffed the pepper. So you can see the cream cheese, the pepper, all cut and in there. Make it more spicy. But I'm still eating because it's got good flavor. I think I did the right thing with that corn to cool off my mouth with that too. Yeah. Woo! That was a hot one. Okay, you guys, I love you so much. Thank you for stopping by and seeing what I was having. I was trying out the stuffed jalapeno pepper with hot cheese, wrapped in a wonton, an egg roll wrapping, fried up, and it was very good, very tasty. But if you want to be bold, take that challenge. But it wasn't for me, but it's really good. So anyway, I'm babbling on, you guys. I'm on fire, I'm sweaty. Oh, excuse me. Forgive me. And you guys, remember, treat people like you wish you were treated. God is love. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate you guys so much. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And I love you all. Take care.